Let's start learning the Flash Detective. Go home and activate it. Flash Detective. And first we should add test. Let's press it. And we have our first test. And let's find out how to select objects. First, you have two parts of this menu to select. Select something to check from one side and from another side. We have to select objects to check the intersections between them. And first, it's a pretty simple way to go to the scene and to pick the object, and then to press this button and to have this object be selected. Okay, now it's selected and it's ready to be checked with another one. Okay, we even can take a couple of them, so I can press space button and then press and hold it, and then the mouse select button and take them with the frame. And now I have two of them, and let's do the same. And now I've just took not only the pipes but the central lines of them. Okay, and as you can see, we have a very similar tool like a selection tree, which is installed in the Flash Detective. So we can try even to take all the pipes, all the elements, and use this structure of the file to choose the objects. And now I took them, but I do not see what objects I've just picked. But there's a special button to select them in the scene. Now they're selected, and now it's not. But the main things they have been chosen in this menu. And of course, you can change the selection mode to compact or to properties like this one, and then you can even choose like this: elements, then category, then pipes. And so now I've just selected all the elements with category pipes. Okay, and I can choose the intersection between pipes and walls and so on using only this properties menu. And of course, we can use sets. So for example, let's go to sets. Okay, I delete this one. And now there are no sets, but it's the same like the selection tree. And when we make any selection set or search set, let's make a selection set. Okay, now it's pretty ready. And then go back to this one. And now have sets. And we can check this one and from other place another one. And now let's find out what is buttons. And first this one, geometry, the surface for geometry. If we want our triangle's surface to be checked, we always need it, so we have to click it. Then this thing's lines for central lines of pipes. And if you want to check the intersection of central lines only, maybe you need it, you can do like this one. And let's go back. And this point is for cloud points, and you can load the cloud points to the Navisworks and then check the intersection between model from MEP model and some cloud points from other source. And now, as you can see, we've just chosen one element, this one, and we cannot check it because we cannot run test because we should pick something from the beep selection part. But if we press this button, self-inspect it, we really can run test because we can choose all the pipes or all the system or all the structure elements and then check them for self-intersection with this button. This mode helps us to run test only with only one part of it. And so you can choose elements and select them to check with the selection tree, with the elements from scene and with the sense. But real good workflow when you have a system of search sets and selection sets and use these things to check your model, because when your model be refreshed and reused, you can repeat your test very quick and analyze what has changed and what difference has changed from time to time.